Hello everyone, how to talk back with another new video, and in this video I'll introduce app. It's called Voya chat, call and group application. So basically this is a social networking app, or you can say it's a dating application. You can see here you can download and install this app from Google Play Store and App Store. If you look at the statistics, so you can see here the rating of the 4.1 out of 5, 2 lakh reviews, 105 megabyte size of the app, and 10 million plus people already use this app. And many people give the good ratings, also bad ratings. You can read it before installing this app. And I'll create more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorial. And before that, I'm just going to show you the main feature about this app, like find yourself some new friends and start chatting anytime, anywhere, and see who you will meet today, and see what's happening on live rooms, so your moments in life, and join the group belong to you. So a lot of facilities here.